So, hello guys! Good afternoon everyone! Oh, mayong hapon sa tanan! Oh, for today's video guys, mag-leksyon na po min Inday. Oh, let's leksyon with Inday. Oh, with mommy teacher. Oh, not funny face today. Oh, just beautiful face. Hey! Dili Inday. Okay, for today's video guys, let's read. I teach Inday how to read. Oh, okay, you sit down Inday. I teach her how to read. Okay, you sit down, baby. This my baby beautiful. Oh, okay.
I do. I am. I go. I say. I tell. I have. I am. I buy.
Okay.
I
Dua. I play. Play, magdua. Play.
ay kapariha dahil sa ako na magsigig duwa.
Oh,
Yeah?
I play. Oh.
I believe. I see.
Okay. Inday, sirong undi one. Okay, it's okay.
Kay only one.
Oh. So, Inday.
Hmm.
Now, oh, this is here, sister. Oh, say hi. Hi. Hello, guys. Ay, this is my cutie baby. Okay. Be, mangwan sa ko, be. Asa man diha ang I say.
I say.
Oh. I see. I do. I have.
I.
I have.
Ay. Sumpa dira.
I tell.
I tell.
I buy. I eat. Okay. I go.
I go.
I am. I do. Okay, very good. Okay, you erase na. Erase. Okay, erase na.
Ah.
It's okay. Sige, erase. Ano to? Nakita to? Wow. Ano naman to? Siya yung gana. Nakita wala?
Okay.